today I'm going to show you how you can make yourself a nice lovely veg at home. Well, it is, as I said before, Chinese New Year's is coming up. It's a Chinese dish, and hopefully you will like the recipe, and I want to share this with someone that you can try this at home. Well, it's all about carrot, broccoli and cauliflower. Those three veg is very important, but I'm going to show you how you can make yourself a nice lovely veg at home by mix up a butter with some plain flour and some baking powder, and all you're going to do is put a pot on the stove with some oil inside of it and fry them for roughly about 7 minutes. Enjoy the recipe today from Chef Ricardo, and we have a lot more recipe for you guys. Thank you very much. So right here I have a big bowl. I'm gonna put some self-rising flour, guys, make it a little bit more easier. Roughly a cups of self-rising flour. Then next I'm gonna simply put some baking powder, roughly as you can see, roughly a teaspoon of baking powder. Nice one. I'm gonna squeeze a lemon inside of it, a lemon juice inside of it, like this. What I want to simply say to you guys, you can use, if you don't have lemon, you can use white vinegar, but to me both of them do work the same. Get some water and some cold ice water, and just give it a nice little mix like this. I'm using a glass, as you can see. Get some more water. Looking lovely and nice so far. Pinch of salt, and also a little bit of sugar. Give it a nice stir again. A little bit more water. And in the meantime, put on a pot on the stove with some oil inside of it for it to get hot. Give it a taste. Perfect. Nice one. So that's already finished. Mix up. Put this at the side. First of all, what you need to do is to cook your veg. That's the first thing. We mix up the batter. Get some plain flour, and right over here is the oil and the pot. Oil in the pot on the stove. So first of all, you're gonna dip the veg inside of the batter, in the flour, and then deep fry it. Guys, enjoy the recipe. So what I'm gonna do, let's do one to show you guys. So I dip my butter. I dip the veg straight inside of the batter. Flour it first in the butter, just like this, and then deep fry like that. So I'm doing one to show you guys what I'm talking about. As you can see right here, look at this. That's the first one I did earlier. And that's the broccoli. That's one. Do our next one to show you. Yeah, lovely. Some of the broccoli. Scoop it over to give it the other side. Nice and lovely. Let's move this one. Wow, look at that. That's so beautiful. So look at this one. Yep, here's another broccoli. Beautiful and nice. This is a cauliflower. Beautiful. Let's look at that. This is just really nice. Now I'm gonna do few carrots for you now. Look at this. Really nice. This is a carrot. This is just really fantastic, guys. Look at this. Beautiful and nice. I want to say you can try this at home if you do like. So now this is finished. This is one more broccoli and a carrot. Lovely and nice. So looking so nice and lovely and beautiful. So I want to say to you guys, enjoy the Chinese vegetable. And as I say, we have a lot more dish coming out for the Chinese New Year's, guys, and hopefully you will enjoy this one. So as you can see how I did it, looking lovely and nice. That's the broccoli and the cauliflower and the carrot all here. Mix up the batter and dip them in it and fry it. Lovely and nice. So you can try it at home. Hopefully your kids will enjoy the dish, and subscribe to the YouTube channel, leave your comments. Thank you very much for watching Chef Ricardo Cooking Program. Bye.